Welcome guys. Right now we are creating a new playlist on fundamentals of Spring and Spring Boot. As you might know, Spring is most widely used framework for Java developers and now with Spring Boot it has become even more powerful. Before Spring, any Java enterprise project would take thousands of lines of code and writing these lines will take a lot of efforts. But with Spring, this has been reduced to few lines. So what we are going to learn in this series? We are going to learn all the basic concepts of Spring and Spring Boot. This is a hands-on approach series. We're going to learn through examples and small projects. So let's start the series. It's time to create a new Spring project. And the best way to do it is via this website called start.spring.io. It is also called Spring Initializer. Here on the landing page, we will select Maven as build tool, Java as programming language, and 3.30 RC1 as Spring version. You should not choose snapshot version as these are still under development by Spring community. It's time to select the group ID and group ID will be your domain or namespace. So I will select com.mytechbuddy. Artifact ID will be your project name. So I will give here learning Spring and the rest can remain as it is. I have chosen Java 17 as my Java version, but you can choose 21 or 22. Now generate the zip and then we will download this zip. Go to download folder and unzip this file. It's time to import the unzip folder into our Eclipse IDE. Go to import project, select Maven and choose this option existing Maven project. Select the folder and finish. Now in my case it got imported quickly because I have all the dependency in my computer, but in your case it may take several minutes. So you can see the project has been imported. And all the project structure has been created for you. Source main Java is for your main Java files. Source main resources is for your all the resources. And source test Java is for your test classes. And in the Maven dependency, you will see all the dependency related to your Spring project. So the project import has been completed. So you can see it's very easy to create Spring project. We will create our first Java project without any Spring concept and we will learn what tight coupling is. After the import is done, the Spring project will have a default Java class with @Spring Boot application annotation. So we will cover this class and annotation in our Spring Boot section. In this part, we will create our own Java classes. So we will select new and we will select class. So we will give the class name basic pizza app. And this class will also have public static void main method. So we'll select that option and finish. So our main class is ready. So we will add another variable called pizza maker here. Okay, and in this class we'll have one more method called build pizza. So we have to give a pizza type in this pizza maker class. So we will choose pepperoni pizza equal to new pepperoni pizza and we will pass this variable into our pizza maker class. So now you can see that it is giving error because we don't have any pizza maker class and pepperoni pizza class. So let's make those class as well. So let's create first the pepperoni pizza class. For this we will create new class and we will select a new package called pizza. Choose finish. So let's make now pizza maker class. We will select the same package. Okay, now there are still errors. So we have to make constructor and this method build pizza in our pizza maker class. Let's go to pizza maker class and build that constructor. Pepperoni pizza. Pizza, and we will create the constructor through our source. So we will choose constructor and we will create this constructor, and now we will build the build pizza method. So it will have a simple system.out.println and it will simply say build pizza. Now let's run our program. Let's save everything and run our program. So we will run this basic pizza app, run as Java application, and building pizza is printed out. So everything is working correctly. Let's add some more method into our pepperoni pizza class. So we'll add one method, public void add toppings. It will also print out system.out.println and adding toppings. It will have shredded mozzarella cheese and pepperoni slices. Let's add another method called public void garnish pizza. So we will garnish our pizza with some flavors. So we will garnish this with chili flakes. So let's print that out as well. Crushed chili flakes. So let's go to our pizza maker app now, and we will also call this method from this build pizza app. So pizza dot add toppings, pizza dot garnish pizza. So let's now again run this in our basic pizza app, and as you can see that two other method garnish pizza and add toppings has been called from build pizza method. So let's add one more pizza here. So we'll again select a class and we will choose Hawaiian pizza. Again it will have these two methods, add toppings and garnish pizza. So we'll copy it here, and instead of pepperoni slices it will have pineapple slices, some sliced red pepper, sliced onion, and some sliced mushroom. And in the garnish pizza method, instead of having crushed chili flakes, we will have basil leaves. So we'll write basil leaves. Okay, now our Hawaiian pizza class is ready. So if I want to send Hawaiian pizza instead of pepperoni pizza, so I will create a new variable here called Hawaiian pizza, and I will do the new Hawaiian pizza here. So let's import this Hawaiian pizza into our basic pizza app as well. So if I want to pass Hawaiian pizza into our pizza maker class, so I have to manually change from pepperoni pizza to Hawaiian pizza. Now it's still giving error because we have the different constructor in our pizza maker class. So let's change that from pizza maker class as well, and we will create a new variable called Hawaiian pizza, and we will change pepperoni pizza to Hawaiian pizza. So let's save everything and run this program. Okay, the error is coming because we have not saved our Hawaiian pizza class. So let's save it, and now the error has been gone. So let's run this basic pizza app. Let's run. Yes, we have to comment this out as well, and we'll run this. Okay, now instead of pepperoni pizza we are getting Hawaiian pizza. So you can see that for making a small changes like changing from pepperoni pizza to Hawaiian pizza, we have to make so many efforts in many classes, like in our pizza maker class, in our basic app class. So this is called tight coupling. Tight coupling is something measured as a effort you have to add to create even a small changes. So this is bad practice and we should avoid this in any cost. Another example of tight coupling is your car. Car and engine cannot exist without each other, but you can see tire. Tire can exist without car and they can be changed easily. So in the next part we will see how can we change our code from tight coupling to loose coupling. To make our project loosely coupled, we have to add very small changes. So let's create a new interface called base pizza. So let's create an interface now. We'll go to new interface and we will give the name base pizza. Now add two methods in it, add toppings and garnish pizza. Both need to have public void as their type. Okay, let's save this file. And because pepperoni pizza and Hawaiian pizza both need to implement base pizza, let's write this code as well. Implements base pizza. It will not give error because these classes already have these two methods. And the same changes needs to be done in Hawaiian pizza class. Now let's make the changes in basic pizza app as well. Before making changes into basic pizza app, let's make changes in pizza maker. So instead of calling pepperoni pizza or Hawaiian pizza, we will give it a simple name called pizza and we will change in the constructor as well. Okay, so type is base pizza, so we have to give the name base pizza here, not pizza. Okay, save everything and let's see why it's giving error. Because we have not saved it, that's why it's giving error. So it should not give the error. Okay, the error should be gone. Yeah, error is gone now. So let's go to basic pizza app now, and instead of pepperoni pizza or Hawaiian pizza, let's make the variable very simple. We'll name it base pizza. So base pizza, and let's comment Hawaiian pepperoni pizza for now, and we will pass the base pizza here, and we will save the class and run this class. So let's run it, and we can see that now Hawaiian pizza is getting printed out. So instead of choosing Hawaiian pizza, if we want to choose pepperoni pizza, so we have to remove comment from pepperoni pizza and give comment to Hawaiian pizza. Let's run this one more time. And now instead of Hawaiian pizza, we are getting pepperoni pizza. So you can see that now in one file we have to make changes, not in many files. And it is very easy to make tightly coupled code to loosely coupled code. In the next video, we will see how can we introduce Spring concept into our video. So stay tuned for the next part. That's it in the first video of Spring Framework Beginner to Guru series. If you like the content, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.